Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to create a shipping policy page for your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. Shipping policies are essential for building trust with your customers and ensuring they understand your store's shipping practices. Let's dive right into it. Log into your Shopify account and go to your admin panel. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings. Then choose Policies. Under the Policy section, find Shipping Policy and click on it to edit. Here, you can input your shipping policy explaining shipping methods, delivery times, shipping fees, and any other relevant information. After you've added the content, make sure to click Save to update your policy. Log into your Shopify admin and select Online Store from the left menu. Under Online Store, click on Pages. Click on Add Page to create a new page. Title the page Shipping Policy. In the content section, you can copy and paste your shipping policy. Alternatively, you can use Shopify's AI tool to generate a shipping policy based on the information you provide. Once you've added the content, click Save to save your new page. To make it easy for customers to find, go to Online Store, Navigation, click on Footer and add the new link to your shipping policy page. Both methods help you create a shipping policy for your Shopify store. The first option is quick and easy, while the second gives you more flexibility to create a separate page for your shipping policy. And that's it. You've successfully created and added your shipping policy page to your Shopify store. This page is an important part of providing transparency and building trust with your customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Shopify store.